about to happen to me. Why I feel this way, I don't know. I think of her so much, it drives me crazy. I just don't wanna
You will be put to good use.